The first rates Monday morning, we start a brand new week and it is a record high once again for benchmark indices. I want to quickly start mentioning stocks where volume activity and the price activity is strong. So I'll connect the dots here in terms of the news flow. JP Associates 5% higher, 6% higher for JP Associates now. Reliance Communication 1% higher. Tata Steel has appreciated by nearly 5%. JSPL has appreciated by about 5%. Tata Steel, the dispatch numbers were released over the weekend, and let's see how markets are reacting to those dispatch numbers. And then Idea Cellular, big spike on Friday, and now correction seems to have kicked in. It is falling, and it is falling on very, very strong volumes. Rain Industries 5% higher, 443 rupees for Rain Industries. So it's like saying that momentum really has rolled over from last week to this week. High beta names are in demand. Wherever there is instance of good news, I guess some of those stocks are really reacting. I mean, look at Arcom, the fact that they will have no debt, markets rewarded that stock. I guess that's the same association market men are also drawing with JP Associates, which has moved from 18 to about 26. Sensex Plastics numbers would be coming out very soon. That is trending up very smartly. I want to look at Varun Beverages, big price action on Friday, then it corrected from the day's high, and as of now the follow buying in Varun Beverages is not there. And if I have to really mention, Aisha, the total transaction stocks with the transaction value I think is there. I think it's the Reliance Geo News which is having impact on Bharati and Idea.
Yes, it is. But before that, I think we must pause and kudos to the market, because they seem to be ignoring and shunning and being extremely nonchalant about any and every macro print which is not really supporting the equity market movement, be it crude, be it the CSO data. Estimates recently, the market is hitting its all-time highs and just deriving its cues from the global market momentum. So guess what? This Monday morning, it's a 10,600 start for the Nifty, and yet again, it is a record high. We managed to surpass the Friday highs. 10,600 for the first time coming in on the Nifty. One must celebrate this moment, really. But yes, aside of that, you've got JSPL, which is a stock in focus. They're planning to raise about $160 million by QIP in the month of February. They're also planning to raise funds by listing its Oman business. So this is going to be an important stock to look out for. You've also got Sun Pharma, and Halol might be inspected by the US FDA in the month of February, just next month. So this is definitely sentiment positive. It's been a big overhang on the stock, and I guess this should cheer the market. The fact that they are just about getting into an inspection. JSPL, of course, starts off gap up, 5% higher, and Sun Pharma is the other one, which should come up for you on your screens. Next up, Shobha Developers, extremely strong Q3 numbers coming in, sales of about $120 million, which indicates an uptick of about 8% on a sequential basis. So that's another stock to look out for. Shobha Limited, 9.5% higher for Shobha as we speak right now. I just want to see what IndusInd Bank as well as Infi and TCS are up to ahead of their numbers. So these are going to be also important stocks to look out for. Telecom, yes, it's going to be an important arena to look out for. You've got Jio, which is planning to launch a new tariff offer from tomorrow itself, wherein they are looking at a price cut of about just 50 odd rupees on their 1 GB plan. So that doesn't quite spell good news for the rest of the telcos, because perhaps because of the stiff competition in the sector, they also would be compelled to bring down their tariffs. And that's not really spelling the best of news right now for these two names. Aside of that, you've got Tata Steel. Their third quarter India output has come in at 3.25 million tons. So that's another stock which is in focus. And couple of other stocks. Fortis, which has now denied that the founders are in talks with PE firms, much unlike what the speculation was in the market for a stake sale. They're saying that they're evaluating best possible ways to raise funds. These are a clutch of stocks to look out for.